I don't like the sound recording when disordered with that camera. My voice is changed into the voice like a gay. Anyway, today's topic is coffee in Mukdahan. I've not drank Nescafe in Shanghai. The way to make cafe is using filter made of cotton, and the coffee ground is not changed each cup of coffee. The timing to change is by infusion of matter. Above all, the coffee beans itself cannot be appreciated. The most reputable way in Thailand is the same as the way in Laos, because the way in Laos is adapted from Thailand, maybe. But nowadays in Thailand, not only the coffee shop, but also coffee stands using the espresso machine can be seen frequently, of which taste is much different. Tasty. Much difference is the moderate acid taste, which there isn't in the old style coffee at all. But there's a point not to be welcomed that its price is twice as high as the old style coffee. Hot one is around 30 baht and cold one is around 40 baht.